Hello viewers, this is SKTV and you're watching Prime Time English News. The headlines first. BJP MLAs currently in National Capital holds another round of discussion today, likely to meet BJP National General Secretary Organization BL Santosh tomorrow. Scuffle erupts between Youth Congress and police personnel at Kaithel over signature campaign. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla launches state-level tobacco-free youth campaign 3.0 today, takes pledge to abstain from use of tobacco products. Protection and preservation of wildlife are human responsibilities, asserts Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla. And National President of National People's Party and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma arrives in Imphal today on a 2-day visit to Manipur. And now the news in detail. BJP MLAs currently in National Capital held another round of internal discussions today as part of their ongoing efforts to push for formation of a government in the state. According to reports received by SKTV News, the legislators are likely to meet BJP National General Secretary Organization BL Santosh tomorrow to discuss the political situation in Manipur. However, sources indicated that the number of MLAs attending today's meeting had reportedly decreased compared to yesterday's session, with some legislators who participated earlier remaining absent. This development has sparked speculation and concern over whether the objective of the Delhi visit to expedite government formation will yield the intended results. Reliable sources further suggest that tomorrow's meeting with BL Santosh could lead to significant political developments concerning formation of a new government in Manipur. A brief scuffle broke out between members of Youth Congress and police personnel at Kaithel area as Youth Congress members were stopped from carrying out a public signature drive as part of Vote Chor Gaddi Chhod campaign initiated by Indian National Congress across India. President of Youth Congress Manipur Wahingbam Anand Singh condemned the incident by chanting various slogans. He also raised slogans condemning dictatorship of BJP government in collusion with Election Commission of India. On the other hand, MPCC President Kasham Meghachandra also took to social media to condemn the action of police. In the post on social media, Meghachandra condemned the police personnel for obstructing the Youth Congress team. He maintained that the campaign was carried out in a democratic and non-violent manner, reaching out door to door and shop to shop to connect with the people and express their voice against corruption and injustice. Meghachandra further maintained that the use of police force to stop such peaceful democratic activities is unjustified and undemocratic. He added that silencing youth voices through intimidation only exposes the fear and failure of BJP government in Manipur. The MPCC president also urged authority to respect democratic rights, allow peaceful campaigns and stop misusing police power to suppress opposition.
State forcing na koida yamna kan mong da singara kan da yamna postal etik dor kan da akoi da ko thaba akoi banner fire ko banner ya peaceful koida koida naksa ba sugumba signature campaign asira yamna tathi da oi ba wanga nga kan da tawbiyo se akoi yamdi nungai jade sigumba police department ki yamna ikai ningai oi ba yamna ijat chokpa ngasi ki thong se basi akoi Youth Congress Manipur na condemn tawi democracy ki mamai to khobang da thabani akoi ngasi vote chor taw kan da gadi chor taw godabni akoi phamda do godabni miyam ki haki kai khumna godabni vote chor gadi chor vote chor gadi chor.
Governor of Manipur Ajay Kumar Bhalla today launched state-level tobacco-free youth campaign 3.0 at Raj Bhavan, Imphal. The campaign is organized by National Health Mission NHM Manipur in association with Directorate of Health Services under the National Tobacco Control Program NTCP. During the launch, the governor led the gathering in taking pledge to abstain from use of tobacco products. Commissioner of Health Suman Singh along with Directors of Family Welfare and Information and Public Relations attended the ceremony. Officers from various departments including Social Welfare, Information Technology, Home and Police were also present. The 6-day campaign focuses on 6 main objectives which comprised enhancing public awareness on harmful effects of tobacco, strengthening compliance of tobacco-free educational institutions, promoting tobacco-free villages, ensuring effective enforcement of COTP 8 2003 and PEC 8 2019, boosting social media engagement and building capacity for long-term impact. The initiative will also be replicated across all districts of the state. In his address, the governor urged officials to ensure that the campaign is implemented as a sustained and serious effort to eliminate tobacco use from society and protect the youth from its harmful effects. He also called upon all officers to contribute their best towards making the campaign effective and successful. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla has reiterated call for collective efforts in conservation of wildlife and forests. Governor Bhalla was speaking during grand finale of 71st Wildlife Week Celebration 2025, which was organized by Forest Department, Government of Manipur at City Convention Center in Palace Compound today. Speaking in the program, which was held on the theme Human-Wildlife Coexistence, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla emphasized on the rare flora and fauna that are endemic to Manipur while citing the example of Kaibul Lamjau National Park, which is home to endangered and endemic Sangai deer. He also highlighted other rare species such as Himalayan black bear, Himalayan sun bear and Amur falcons, which are found in hill districts of Manipur. Speaking further, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla stressed on the need to conserve this wildlife and their habitat for future generations. Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal along with top government officials, school children attended the program, which also saw a prize distribution ceremony for students who had participated in essay and painting competition that were conducted as part of Wildlife Week. NGOs and individuals are committed in wildlife conservation were also felicitated during the program.
Wildlife Week is more than just a celebration. It's a reminder of our collective responsibility towards the diverse flora and fauna that sustain life on Earth. The theme of this year's celebration, Human-Wildlife Coexistence, resonates deeply with the landscapes of Manipur, a land where tradition and nature have long existed together. It urges us to protect our forests, wetlands and wildlife while embracing sustainable development. Manipur is blessed with extraordinary biodiversity. Our state is home to numerous endemic, rare and endangered species. The Sangai, the world's only brow-antled deer, the clouded leopard, Hulok gibbon, our state bird Nongin, Himalayan black bear and a rich diversity of birds, reptiles and orchids. In the exhibition outside, I have seen beautiful photographs and would like to compliment the children who have done paintings. It's such nice live colors, as if the painting is actually the real life picture of a sky, a forest, water body and all. Manipur has the potential to become a model for balancing tradition, development and biodiversity conservation.
National President of National People's Party NPP and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma arrived in Imphal on a 2-day visit to Manipur today. During his visit, the NPP leader will meet party MLAs, leaders and some influential persons and discuss the prevailing political situation in Manipur. Speaking to media persons after he arrived at Imphal International Airport, Conrad K. Sangma said NPP is in favor of a pro-public government for a democratically elected government or a popular government in Manipur. He added that in order to ensure normalcy returns in the state, it is important to restore a democratically elected government in Manipur. While commenting on the situation in Manipur, Conrad Sangma maintained that there has been reduction in incidents of violence, but for peace to return in true sense, lots of work need to be done and leadership needs to play a proactive role and there need to be more engagement to work out a lasting solution. Conrad K. Sangma will also meet leaders of CSOs from both Meitei and Kuki Zo tribal communities during his visit. He is also likely to hold a press conference tomorrow.
We will be examining this. We'll be talking to all the leaders. We'll be talking to the party leaders. We'll be talking to all our MLAs, and we'll be taking a decision. But as a political party, we are always for a pro-public government. We are for a democratically elected government. We are for a popular government. But we have to obviously look at all the circumstances. But in order to ensure that normalcy returns in the state of Manipur, it is important that a democratically and a popular government should be in place. That is when a real reflection of normalcy is. So therefore we will work towards it, and we will, as I said, discuss with everybody and take things forward. The process of peace, the process of trust building, the process of engaging with each other, I think there's a lot of work to be done. So that is the reason why, leadership will play an important role. Political parties, different stakeholders will play an important role. And I hope that this engagement process can happen so that we can see that overall lasting peace and lasting solution comes out in this situation. For any political party, it is important to reach out. It is important to engage. If we don't engage, if we don't connect with the grassroots and with the people, then there is some way we are missing a point. So our idea is really to reach out and to listen. So we'd like to listen, reach out, take suggestions, and then decide on what the party would do and how we could play a role in ensuring that we are able to improve the situation.
Purpose of a visit of Mr. Sangma is basically we want to find out what is the latest position of the situation in the state, and thereafter what all can be done by the party for bringing about normalcy and peace in the state. And he will be meeting the other stakeholders like the CSOs and IDPs, etc. And then to work out, and we will meet the governor also. The governor will discuss what all are required, etc. for the bringing about changes and improvement in the state.
National Sports University Imphal, Manipur organized a one-day workshop on the topic Doping in Sports Ethics and Regulations at NSU Hall, Kumalam Park Sports Complex, Imphal. The function was graced by a Vice Chancellor officiating of NSU, Dr. Shyamsundar Rath, Registrar Dr. L. Dibamani, Commandant of CRPF Group Center Langjing and Padmashri N. Kunjarani, Director of NDTL New Delhi and CEO Dr. P.L. Sahu, Head of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation RIMS Professor A.K. Joy, and Senior Resident in the Department of Sports Medicine RIMS Dr. L. Subhashini as Presidium members. In his speech, Dibamani emphasized that the workshop aims to create awareness among the general public and sports persons about the adverse effect of taking performance-enhancing drugs, PEDs, in the long run, although these kinds of drugs improve sports performances for a short period. He further announced plans to organize similar workshops in a grand manner with the involvement of coaches, sports associations and representatives of sports organizations in the future.
Doping haraga koina khawnari se sanabada akogi performance ganaba magi akoina makal makal gi hidak sin laraga performance galam bodo medicine drug sing do maduna ko doping ana khangmari se hariba doping se sinaba je koi taseng badi akogi niyom gi wang modani niyom lalan bani amaga competition tawna baje koina free and fair rimta support out basu medical support pharmacological support out bida magi will power magi oski strength speed mayam dona mahun bawon develop to holaga sanaga bani adubo hojiki matam da ko doping adana akogi makal gi drug sin laraga koina performance matam khari yon handle halaga sanabagi sanabi ma hoji thole hariba mase yamna matam yamna chobi shomo riba podamani masigi matang awareness pi da masigi workshop system mani.
Family Welfare Services Director Dr. N. Bino has sought cooperation from parents and guardians for successful implementation of polio immunization as part of this sub-national polio immunization day. He made the appeal during a press conference held today prior to the immunization program at the conference hall of Directorate of Family Welfare Services, Manipur, located at BT Road, Imphal. Speaking further, Bino informed that the department will conduct polio immunization from October 12th to 14th by opening polio booths at many locations. He also announced the department's target to achieve 100% polio immunization in the state through Pulse Polio campaign that will cover door-to-door. Dr. Bino went on to maintain that the state targets to immunize a total of 3,16,671 children this year by opening 3,167 polio booths.
October की तारीख ट्राइन थोइसिदा पोलियो सब नेशनल इम्यूनाइजेशन डे प्रोग्राम कोई होजगदोरी प्रोग्राम सिगी असेन बबुदी निमित कुनी तबदोइ बनी हान निमित 12 October सिदा इ आंगांग सिन सि यम दगी पुतसिदा अमा पासिंग न पुतोपिरागा अयाम मपुंगबा कनो सि आंगांग अयाम बदी पुते निमित अयाम कोइ पितन ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯖꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 13 and 14 ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯨꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯎꯁ ꯇꯨ ꯍꯥꯎꯁ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯂꯦꯝꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯚꯔ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯒꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯑꯣꯃꯥꯏꯂꯥꯏꯇꯤꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯅꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯁ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯑꯣ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯅꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯟꯁ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯤꯌꯣꯔꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯠꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯥꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯀꯤꯌꯣꯔ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯚꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯚꯦꯛꯁꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯨꯝꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯒ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯅꯤꯖꯕꯅꯤ
Department of Psychiatry, RIMS Professor Dr. R.K. Lenin has expressed concerns that 1 in 5 persons is living with mental disorder due to the ongoing crisis in the state. He was speaking at the World Mental Health Day, which was organized by Center for Mental Hygiene at its Changangai Uchekon's premise on the theme Mental Health in Catastrophes and Emergencies. Speaking further, Dr. Lenin highlighted that only 15 to 20% of the people living with mental disorder are receiving treatment at many are left in the lurch. Further noting the absence of adequate manpower and infrastructure for mental health care in the state, he highlighted that there are only 35 psychiatrists in the state and added that inconvenience is even more in remote and hill areas. Lenin then asked all concerned to contact 14416 and avail benefits of mental health services.
Ngasing asima khoi iramdam gi oinadi covid ki matungda atoppa conflict ama muk lakpa adusu hi ahumuk sujalak pasina bar moiraga khoi si kone estimate tawjari basi khoi manipur gi oinadi mi manga khudingi mi amamam habiri 20% gumba uni wathal gi na makhal ma natraga manai aina koina laujai aduna layeng basidi khoi gi mental health ki access pangba hai batare mental health access se kana na phange hai basi khoi gi national mental health survey hadana 2015-16 da khoi gi india gi oina Manipur ki oina mi chama gi manungda tara manga dagina kun phawa kaktang pungni wathal gi anaba singse layeng balai chama gi manungda marfu dagina marfu manga di layeng basumlag lakte.
Universal Mothers Organization UMO today organized remembrance of first Nupilal of 1904 for the 7th time at Lampel Kunau, Imphal. During the observance, attendees paid floral tributes to the departed souls of 5 brave mothers, namely Irungbam Ongbi, Samujaubi, Laishangthem, Kwathabi, Lemopopam Dhapti, Laishram Ningol Joboti and Rajkumari Tharosana, who laid down their lives for the motherland in the historic protest against the introduction of Lalup Kaba by British, which is a system of forced labor. The function was graced by UMO President Morangthem Sarojini Leima, First Nupilal 1904 Observation Committee Haikruzam Thoinu Leima, Peace Home Supermarket Manipur member Yumkham Ongbi Indrani, National Media Confederation New Delhi convener LM Sana, World Human Rights Protection Organization International Crown Chairman Dr. Lojing Len Chingsang Lakpa Namarakpam and co-committee executive member Julia Singlai as main dignitaries. Speaking on the sidelines, UMO President Sarojini Leima traced the history of First Nupilal, which occurred on October 9th, 1904 and highlighted the significance of remembering the historic event. She further urged the government to declare state holiday on October 9th to commemorate the event while announcing the UMO's plan to organize its state-level function from next year onwards. Sarojini also attributed the main cause of the political instability in the state to the absence of political consciousness, integrity and statesmanship among the legislators. She also urged those who aspire to contest election to initially acquire all these qualities.
Lari Heavy Mayama Tolopa de Gangwaya Bawa, Gangwaya the Bawa, Hangdana, I see the up the Apavano electric. Wamang with that, I could no way Paramani. I could Lari Haveni, hide and room that Chatara Kanda Tatika, and Mamma Tamata Kanatava, Portuguese Kalas Pirataba, a woman looking with him, a woman looking with him, could Lari Hayadro, Portuguese Kalas, Amama Koyari, Takika, Tawaro, Punatawayava, Tabayava, Tahidava, like it didn't come and check over me. Dina kamay chaka daw ray back punagi na kamay kan ka daw hay bate pung kun marigi manung da pung kaya ma pung ani ma ahum ma koy ray back khali no akaba jo adum la kani hatam le law paja miyam je paseng na makidi akoy punsin ba ya na nga gi tebal amal lo biro.
A seminar cum workshop on the theme Mera Ho Chungba Festive Fair, its impact on traditional market, was held as part of the ongoing Hatkarga Mela State Handloom Expo at Ibo Emma Shumang Lila Shanglen Palace Compound, organized by Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles, Manipur. The event was attended by Financial Advisor T.H. Gunindro, National Awardee and Proprietor of MS Channu Creation, Indira Ketrimayum, Senior Designer of NID Haubam Sukumar and Deputy Director of Directorate T.H. Basanta. Mutua Museum Director Mutua Bahadur was the moderator of the program. Over 60 stalls showcasing diverse handloom and handicraft products attracted significant public attention during the event. Speaking as moderator, Mutua Bahadur highlighted the importance of creating new designs from traditional products, integrating innovative patterns while preserving cultural identity. He stressed that obtaining geographical indication GI tag for unique traditional fabrics and crafts would greatly benefit the craftsmen and enhance state's economic recognition. He further pointed out that the contribution of skilled designers is vital to updating and refining indigenous designs without losing their essence. Such efforts, he said, would increase marketability of traditional products and help artisans gain better income opportunities. The workshop also emphasized that locally produced crafts carry high potential for value addition and can emerge as significant sources of livelihood if properly promoted and marketed. Secretary General of Kangleipak Students Association KSA Sanjoy Kulakpam has stressed on the need to correct the history which have been distorted and misinterpreted by some individuals with vested interests. Sanjoy was speaking on the sideline of prize distribution ceremony for first state level Kangleipak Manipur History Competition, which was organized by KSA at state level Kangleipak Manipur History Competition. Manipur University Administrator of Manipur Millennium Foundation Morangthem Binod, Advisor of KSA Sanjay Suraisam, Advisor of IPSA Taurangam Birzet, Vice President of KSA Saram Hemzit graced the function. Speaking further, Sanjoy Kulakpam said twisting of historical facts by few individuals in their books and magazines can mislead future generations. Prizes were distributed to winners of state level Kangleipak Manipur History Competition during the program.
My whole day on Napoli Tongana Poi Lejava, Manipuri history as you can character, Mu Kuzokan, Ramu Kamokana Masaki Kana Bidamagi, Muna, if we get on the Honava, Alwaki, Sido Kana, Lan upon by Aramonda, who is 300% Kisena, Tenana Honabagi, Tauton Gamma to lie, Samin by Lusim Punduna, discussing of Patokuna, any big Matunia Syllabasinda, Apoy Manipur Gerba, history in Hudson Nava, Pukano Honore. Masih seru mana kisah so, aku kiba September kita di Kuala Lumpur ya, explore the history of Kangleipak Manipur, haibat tim masih dulu na, the first state level Kangleipak Manipur history kami jadi patok sama ni, syllabus tayar di history hona tanah, Manipur tu lagi mailo kau di mana lagi apa stream juga, tongan subject juga tongan tham tanah, Manipur macam mana, Manipur history sih kayak kangnya kayak hairi, habis masana masabu self evaluate tongan itu zaman lomin na, bamu history na, na bagi seru kami ni kalau kisah na semua bawa, kami sini jadi patok sekali ni.
And it's time for a short break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV.
Lakliva October gi tarik 13 amadi 12 dagi hauzaraga Rural Roots Market haina minthonjaba kaithel ama hangdokcharagani hairiba kaithel asi Manipur State Rural Livelihoods Mission MSRLM gi meeting makhada semjakiba self help group members tana puthokjaba sajaba potlam khaktamak miyamda ahongba mamalda phanghanjagani Mafamna Yaifalamjing Kanglup Ground Jingarel Dispur opposite Northeast Stick House Ukrul Road Imphal East Matamna Ayuki Pungni Pandagi Nungdangi Pung Taret Fawo Pamzagani Market Asida Angang Singtagi Oiba Sanafam Suthamzagani Numit Asidagi Hauraga Tha Khudingi Hairiba Mafam Amadi Tarik Asida Sumsoi Soidana Pangthokjagani Mayam Pumna Maknalak Biduna Mipal Tangdaba Khunai Ama Oina Bahotnazari Basing Asi Sobat Bio Kurumjari
Mayam Yaifare Ikono no Kurumjari Ningol Sakoba Naksalagle Ningol Sakobaga Iroinana Akogi Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission Gi Makada Sombung Amadi Haingang City Block Ki Akogi Self Help Group Singna Akogi Kaithel Amakak Rural Roots Market haiba kaithel asi akoigi hangtokjagani haiba kaithel asigi mafam masina akoigi Chungare Tezpurda leiba akoi Yaipal Lamjing Kamluk Ground haina khangnaba ground asida pantokjadoini haiba market asi October 13 amadi 12 masidei hauraga tha khudingi haiba tang asida 13 amadi 13 sida akoigi kaithel asi pantokjagadabani mayam aduga pantokjagadaba matamna ayuki pung 9 dagi hauraga numidang wairam pung 3 phoba sumsoi soidana lakpiro yumgi isa sing adigi halaman singsu puduna ha koiba amadi ahoma mamal na pijagadoriba market asida sumsoi soidana lengthok piro anuno mayamda request tawjari yaipare
I am pleased to inform to the general public and the business community of Manipur Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Department of Textiles, Commerce and Industries, Government of Manipur, and Manipur Industrial Development Corporations are jointly going to organize a buyer-seller meet on coming 10th and 11th October of 2025.
I event asida handloom, handicraft product, agri-food product, green and eco-friendly product mayamama showcase tajagani.
This high-impact summit aims to connect global buyers with Indian and international sellers.
Foreign buyer-seller it's a good opportunity for all the MSMEs in Manipur.
Namdam asigi business asibu kadamna chakala ingidagi hana lerimiba issues and challenges in sibu kadamna kokadigi haibadu mamutana khanajagani.
Manipur Global Business Summit Buyers and Sellers Meet
City Convention Center of Pangok Chagani.
Adugimak sigi haiba aikogi makhada piriba hotel asida register tawduna sarve minasi haina miyam thamjagi.
Welcome back, and in further news, proscribed Kangleipak Communist Party PWG MC unification has pointed out promotion of 98 nurses at once has resulted in problems while executing duties as the hospital is understaffed at the moment. In a press note, Kangleipak Communist Party PWG MC unification alleged that the promotion of nursing staffs were carried out through corruption. While asserting that the party will intervene into the matter, Kangleipak Communist Party PWG MC unification has urged Janim's authority to address the issue and to fill up vacant posts, including that of nursing superintendent and post of deputy nursing superintendent at the earliest. Ziliangrong United Front ZUF has denounced the olive branch mission proposed by NSNIM, which aimed to facilitate dialogue and reconciliation among the Naga factions and groups, as expressed in a recently conducted consultative meeting at Longmai. In a press note issued by Secretary Information and Publicity Ziliangrong United Front Louis Gangmei, it asserted that ZUF do not fall under the category of Naga factions. ZUF is purely a separate organization having distinct objectives from Naga national objectives. Unlike Naga factions, Ziliangrong Kindred People has only one revolutionary organization based on historical and political evidence clear in the contemporary political scenario and situation in the northeastern region. While maintaining that it is wrong for Ziliangrong Kindred People to go out for Naga national cause by dividing the Ziliangrong family, ZUF called all leaders and cadres of Ziliangrong in the Naga factions and groups to come home and work together for greater accomplishment and achievement of Ziliangrong aspiration. It asserted that the process of current political dialogue with the government of India is based on resolving the Ziliangrong political issues, that is, to integrate Ziliangrong Kindred People under one political and administrative governance within the Union of India. Two-day-long 6th edition of Hangul Day kicked off at Court Hall of Manipur University today. The event was organized by Department of Foreign Languages, Korean Language, Manipur University under the sponsorship of Embassy of the Republic of Korea in India. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor N. Lokendra, Deputy Chief Mission Embassy of Republic of Korea in India, H.E. Sangwoo Lim, Commissioner of Higher and Technical Education Government of Manipur, Ningthokjam Geoffrey, Director of BRICS India and representative of COSMA, Tae Hwan Lim, Dean of School of Humanities MU, Professor N. Pramodini Devi, Professor Yoon Jeong Cho of Jungang University, Seoul, Korea, First Secretary of Embassy of Republic of Korea in India, Ming Jong Kim, graced the opening day function. Speaking on the sideline, Deputy Chief Mission of Embassy of Republic of Korea in India, Sang-woo Lim, expressed happiness over Korean language program in Manipur University. He said the Foreign Language Department acts as a bridge in relation between India and South Korea. The diplomat also assured that Embassy of Republic of Korea will provide every possible assistance to Manipur while also lauding the natural beauty of the state.
Manipur University gi Korean Language Department da leida Korean language program khwaidagi faba program ni. So I'm very glad to be here. This is the building where the Korean language program started. It started as just a one-year certificate course. Now it has a master's program and has started a PhD program as well. And I'm happy to note that the graduates of the Korean language department very well sought after by Korean companies, and I think Manipur University in this way through the Korean language has become a bridge between India and Korea.
Hangul is mogi Korean script ni. Script to same giba numit oina commemorate to numit oina moi nationally Korea to celebrate our program moi. Aduna sigi sumba oina event organize to the maram di ngasai angang sing sida don tamba tanatana ngasai magi background da leiba history dagi culture adugumba pulap experience oina offer to nabagi da sinjaba program.
10th Foundation Day of Horizon Hospital and Research Institute come World Sight Day was observed today at its premise located at Kurai Soibamleka, Yangpuli Road. The event, jointly organized by Horizon Hospital and Research Institute in association with Lions Club of Imphal East, was graced by District 322D past District Governor Lion Professor W. Gopi Mohan, Lions Club of Imphal East President Lion L. Meghasandra, Horizon Hospital and Research Institute Managing Director Lion Dr. Y. Yaima, and District GST Coordinator Lion Dr. P. Rajmani as main dignitaries. Speaking at the function, Professor Gopi Mohan emphasized the vital importance of maintaining healthy eyes and the need for timely treatment to prevent serious eye illness. Further highlighting that 200 million people have lost their eyesight, Gopi Mohan added that 80% of the 1 crore 20 lakh people in the country with eye illness were cured after receiving medication.
Lack of assessment, lack of ignorance. Education which is so
Meanwhile, Managing Director Dr. Yaima informed that the hospital conducted a free eye screening and cataract detection camp in connection with the Foundation Day. He further said that the rate of blindness in the country was reduced to 1% from 1.49%, according to a blind survey conducted in 2007. He also expressed happiness that the rate of blindness in the country has minimized to 0.3% in this year.
So many layers of laser copy, treatment operation investigation Lions Club
Two-day long national seminar on the topic NEP 2020 Prospects and Challenges of Higher Education for Future Learning kicked off at VC Court Hall of Manipur University today. Dean of School of Human and Environmental Science, Manipur University, Professor S. Jibon Kumar Singh, Dean of School of Education, MU, Professor Premlata Maisna, Professor Dulomani Goswami of Department of Education, Guwahati University, and Professor Nil Ratan Roy of Department of Education, Tezpur University graced the opening day program, which was organized by Department of Teacher Education, Manipur University. Speaking in the program in charge, Dr. Chingtham Tomba highlighted the importance of NEP 2020 in enhancing quality of higher education. JR Hospital at Hatta has successfully removed a massive gallbladder measuring 24.5 centimeters in length and weighing 0.530 kilos, setting a significant medical milestone in Manipur. According to Dr. Longjam Chitranjan, consultant hepatopancreatobiliary HPB and liver transplant surgeon at the hospital, the largest gallbladder removal in India until now was performed in Rajasthan in 2016 on a 46-year-old woman measuring 30 centimeters. In the latest case on October 2nd, a 48-year-old woman, Golmai Premita from Oinam Sombung, underwent surgery at JR Hospital, where the second largest gallbladder in India, measuring 24.5 centimeters, was removed. Doctors confirmed that the patient was suffering from gallbladder cancer, which had blocked the bile duct. Surgery was successfully performed to remove the organ. Medical experts emphasized that such rare and complex surgeries require advanced facilities and experienced surgical teams, and JR Hospital's achievement marks an important step in providing high-level medical care within Manipur.
On the 2nd of October, Sombungdagi 45 mung surag nupi ma ungarena tawaga hospital lakkiba ko ado magi se ultrasound atopa preliminary photo pani ado magi pukto kana paing matam yam chaw matung leibdagi MRI kai taw matung ma se gallbladder chaw matung nam leibdagi operation je next year ko MRI gi film je phangba next year operation tawni ado magi operation gi diagnosis na ko bile duct cancer hoiba ko ngai cancer in changmani ado my gallbladder je hoji pawgi oina world gi oina pai chawba gallbladder pai sang je 30 cm gi gallbladder ni lothokil je masi Rajasthan da 2016 da lothokil je matna khoina ji lothokiba my gallbladder je khogi thabaki saru chi de gallbladder gi afam de horagana khogi a pukki a makha ta khodo makha bo yo my gallbladder scam yam chaw ba ta chaw yam sang ba du gallbladder we 24.5 cm sangi do 7 cm mu chaw ko aduga magi weight na around khogi kg makha ma hen lume 530 gram of lume cerebral cancer mai kona yam mai pa na sigi jaro stang telepathies de tawaga stam yam china tawaga yam mai pa na to thoki bagi makta kona press meet se mai am da khan jage na ko.
In a heartfelt reaffirmation of duty and remembrance, Assam Rifles on October 9th carried out multiple engagements across Chandel, Tegnopal and Imphal West districts to honor martyrs, support veterans and assist local communities. A solemn wreath-laying ceremony was held at the battalion headquarters in Modi, Chandel, in tribute to Havildar Satpal Singh and Rifleman Dharampal Singh, who made supreme sacrifice during counter-insurgency operation in 2007. Later in the day, troops visited the residence of 104-year-old veteran rifleman Sarkidhan Thapa in More to extend care and assistance. In another humanitarian gesture, Assam Rifles personnel provided urgent medical aid to a 39-year-old civilian from Namching village, Imphal West, who suffered venomous snake bite. The patient received immediate treatment and anti-snake venom at the unit hospital before being referred to RIMS Imphal for advanced care. Further extending its service to remote border communities, Assam Rifles, in collaboration with Sunbird Trust and HDFC Parivartan Yojana, distributed 75 solar lamps to residents of New Samtal village in Chandel district under a CSR initiative. The same day, an aspiring Operation Sindhu session was held at Kendra Vidyalaya, Chakpikarong, to instill patriotism and civic values among students. Through acts of remembrance, compassion and development, Assam Rifles once again demonstrated its role as the sentinels of the Northeast, promoting unity, welfare and national pride across Manipur. Indian Red Cross Society Bishnupur District Branch Kumbi Ideal Youth Development Organization Kumbi Chayatap Foundation, in association with Department of Transfusion Medicines RIMS, jointly organized an awareness campaign on voluntary blood donation at Kumbi Awang High School. The awareness campaign was organized under the aegis of State Blood Transfusion Council Manipur and Manipur State AIDS Control Society MAX. 56 individuals who had participated in voluntary blood donation were presented with certificates during the function.
Kumbisida lepna I chanaina piriba masing yami adubu anuba hengalakpati khara watpa masigi maramse karigino haina khoina sum khanja matamda I piraga kari hakchang da sokkadoino manggadoino sigadoino haibagi akibam khak leiba mayamna khanjari base kaino ai imung manung narak yero matamda I darkar leragadi karai de lai sige haiba wafam ami he khane masigi laibagi wafam se matam sida di sunadre masima thadok piro tuwa iduna matung tabada blood donation torakpa amasung migi mateng pangnaba I pina honar ko tanda mayam su wakhan taminaragadi ai laina haina thorakani haibagi thajabaduda ngasi aina mafamda lecture bani.
National Students Union of India NSUI Tamenglong Unit, in collaboration with the Helping Hands for People Manipur, organized a blood donation camp cum awareness campaign at the Youth Hall of Emmanuel Baptist Church. The event, which was held on the theme "Your One Drop of Blood Can Save a Life," was graced by ADC Tamenglong CEO Kachamthai Phaiga Gangmai and CMO Tamenglong District Dr. G. Mazachunglu as main dignitaries. Speaking at the function, G. Mazachunglu expressed happiness on the successful installation of a blood bank at Tamenglong District Hospital. The CMO also encouraged people of Tamenglong to donate blood in the blood bank, stating that it will save many lives. Kachamthai Phaiga Gangmai, on the other hand, stressed on the need for creating awareness on the importance of donating blood among the general populace in hill districts. The ADC Tamenglong CEO went on to urge the church leaders to spread awareness in this regard. Around 60 individuals voluntarily donated blood in the blood donation camp. And that is all we have in this bulletin. But before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. BJP MLAs currently in National Capital hold another round of discussion today, likely to meet BJP National General Secretary Organization BL Santosh tomorrow. Scuffle erupts between Youth Congress and police personnel at Paramban Kaithel over signature campaign. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla launches state-level tobacco-free youth campaign 3.0 today, takes pledge to abstain from use of tobacco products. Protection and preservation of wildlife are human responsibilities, asserts Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla. And National President of National People's Party and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma arrives in Imphal today on a 2-day visit to Manipur. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri News presented by Luchingbi. Stay tuned.